Hi y'all, this is Susan from Susan Makes. I haven't done a video in a while, so I thought that I would do one today. And I very rarely do one with my face on it. Usually I do it at my tabletop where I'm working so you can see. But I thought I'd be a little bit different and I'd come in and say hi so you can see who is behind Susan Makes. So if you would do a little bit of favor for me, if you will go onto my blog, which is susanmakes.com, in the side column there's a place there that you can sign up for our email list, and it'll send you out a list, an update whenever we update the blog. Also, if you don't mind, if you would go on into my Facebook page, and it's at Susan Makes Blog, and like that page. If you also subscribe here on YouTube down below, if you'll click that, that'll let you know whenever we update my YouTube page. And also, if you want to, since I'm putting out all my little links here anyway, if you would like, and if you don't mind, if you do Instagram, if you can go and find my page, it's at Susan Makes Blog, and like me on there too, because you'll see the different cards and stuff that I make. Okay, so that is out of the way. Let me tell you what I'm doing today. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a fancy fold card. Now I'm calling it the gated flap card. So as you can see, it just looks like a standard gated card. But what makes it special is on the inside, there is, I had it upside down, it has an additional flap. So I'm going to show you how to make this today. And then a little bit later today, I will probably be going on and I will be doing a tutorial about how to make a card out of this completed card base. And it's going to actually have a pocket on the inside to put a gift card. So this makes a really special gift card holder for a special occasion, a birthday, an anniversary. You could do it for like a wedding gift. There's a lot of different things, Christmas, all those kind of things. Anytime you would give a gift. And it just makes a little added special card. So let me stop this right here and let me get it flipped over so you can see the top of my table, and we will get busy making this card. It's really quick and really easy. All right, we are back. So we're going to show you how to make this fancy fold card. Like I said, I'm calling it a gated flap card. So you're going to need to cut some pieces of cardstock. You're going to need a piece that is 5.5 by 8.5. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a complete sheet of paper. I will grab one here like this, so make sure I illustrate it. So here's some that are unopened. Here is the 11-inch side, and this 8.5. You're going to cut it this way across the paper. So you get this side. You're also going to need, for the interior flap, you're going to need a piece, and this is cut 5.5 by 4 1/8. This is going to be slightly shorter on this side. Usually it would be 1/8 of an inch longer, wider, but we're going to cut it a little bit shorter so that when it comes in here, that when the flaps fold in, it doesn't disrupt that. So we just need to cut that just a shy bit shorter. You're also going to need a piece that is 4 1/8 by 1 inch, and this is going to be our hinge. So to get started, we need to fold our paper, to score our paper. So I'm using my scoreboard, or my score pal, excuse me, and we are going to score it, the longest piece, we're going to score it at 2 1/8 inch on both sides. So if you'll notice on my score pal, I really like, the 1/8 is marked. Makes it easy. So it's 2 1/8 on that side. Then we're just going to turn it around to get the other side, and we're going to do the same thing, 2 1/8. Then you're also going to need to take the 1 inch wide paper, and you're going to score it at 1/2 inch. Just score it right into half. Move that out of the way. All right, so now we're going to start assembling this. The first thing we're going to do with our bone folder, we're going to go on and get these flattened out really, really well. I really love this black cardstock. I use it from a company called Cardstock Warehouse. I wish that they had an affiliate link because I would sell them like crazy because I love their paper. It's good and thick, and it's just really great paper. So then this piece, the hinge, I'm just going to fold that in half as well, and then just kind of burnish that to get it good and flat. So just like that. So this is how easy this thing goes together. We're going to take a little bit of my art glitter glue, and I'm just going to put it on this piece. Come on, glue. I just emptied you out. Okay, so I've got to do this. You know, it never fails when you're doing live TV. You forget to do something, so it's not all streamlined. And for me, I forgot to get the glue cleared out. All right, let's try this again. Look, we have glue now. So I just put a little bit of this white art glitter glue on there, and then I'm just going to fit this piece in there like this, get it good and even on both sides and into that crease, just like that. And then we are going to glue this to the inside of the card so it makes the flap. And we want to make sure it's good and even up there. And I noticed that I am slightly larger. So before I go in there and trim that down, I want to trim that down a little bit. I don't know why it decided that one decided to be a little bit longer, but it did. This is going to be cut down to 5 1/4. No, 5 1/2. Yeah, 5 1/2. So let me go in and trim this down so that it fits perfectly in there. I don't want it to be too big. It's just a tad, like 1/8 of an inch too long. So I must have mismeasured it when I cut it originally. All right. See, that one fits much better. Okay, so we're going to put some glue on this side of the flap. I'm sorry, I should do it where y'all can see it. And then I'm just going to glue that to the inside of this. I just kind of want to make sure it's even on the inside. And then why I love the art glitter glue is that you can move the paper around a little bit. It gives you a little bit of flexibility to move the paper around, but I want to make sure it's good and flat. And that's really all it takes to make the card. It's very, very simple to put together. You can do multiple things to it. You could tie a ribbon around it. You could make a little ring to go around it to kind of hold it closed. I mean, there's all kinds of different ways that you could do to make this really special. This could be just a perfect like birthday gift. It could be a nice wedding card. You know, if you're doing your own wedding invitations, this would be a cute way to do it. It could be really used for all kinds of different projects, but I really like it. So this is my gated flap fold card. I hope that you understand the video, that I did okay, that I'm not confusing, but this is a really simple card to put together. And so I'm going to be doing a video a little bit later, and I'm going to be showing you how I put this all together. I'll probably be doing a live over on my Facebook channel, so you could go over to my Facebook channel and check it out. But that is the gated flap fold card. If you get a chance, please like this video. If you enjoyed it, you'll get more information every time I upload a new video to my YouTube channel. Like me on Facebook. Blog is susanmakes.com. Any of those links, if you want to follow me on those, that would be great, and I would appreciate it. Thank you, and y'all have a great day. Bye.